Sending photos from the field back to the office is one of those things that sound really simple to do, but it's actually really hard to do that efficiently. Usually these pictures taken at a job site are emailed or texted back to the office, and the information like which job is it from, why did you take that photo, that stuff can get lost. You can use HeavyJob to tie the photos to the job, and you can annotate on the photo and add notes to it. So here on the home screen, HeavyJob Mobile, click on Photos. And you can choose to either take a picture with your device or you can pick a photo from your library. So let's pick a couple photos here. The beauty of using photos in HeavyJob is that your foreman or your super can draw directly on these photos. Okay, so let's pick these 3 photos, and I'm going to choose this one to start drawing on. So let's pick red and make that stand out. You can circle things. You can draw arrows to make sure somebody sees exactly what you're talking about, or you can even start drawing in stuff that might be appearing later on. What you've drawn are now saved onto your photo. Hit send, and these photos will be associated with the job you're at, and they go directly to the office with the edits and annotations you just made.